Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're highly welcome to OT Hair Lounge, a channel that got you covered for latest nail designs and hairstyles. So if you've been looking for a good channel to be getting all the trendy and stylish designs, trust me when I say you're in the right place. So kindly do well to join us today, and trust me, you'll be glad you did. Okay, if you've been watching my videos but you haven't subscribed, why not? Come on, hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss out our videos as soon as we upload them here in this channel. Thank you so much as you join us. So my lady, today's video is not an exception, for we have carefully selected a very unique and beautiful nail art design for my ladies. Gorgeous nails ideas for elegant ladies, so you guys watch to the end, and trust when I say you're gonna fall in love with the amazing collection that we have here. We have it in different shapes, different nail colors, different nail arts, different nail designs. I mean, you definitely fall in love with these collections. So just watch to the end and choose your favorite slide. Okay, and also share it to your loved ones so they can also be part of these beautiful videos. And please, as you watch our video, kindly encourage us by hitting the like button. Just give the video a thumbs up, okay, so that to reach a wider audience. And as well, drop your lovely comments in the comment section. Just tell us how you love these nails. If you have any other video idea that you want us to bring to the channel, why not just drop in the comment section, and definitely we'll be there to reply you. Thank you so much, my ladies. To you, my returning viewers, thanks for always coming back to engage on our videos. Trust me, we do not take for granted. We love you guys, we appreciate your support, and please guys, keep supporting us and keep bringing mind-blowing videos to you. Thank you so much, my ladies, and see you guys in our next video. Bye.